in the early 2000s and 2010s, there was this developing appreciation of this new psychological direction called positive psychology. And this is something Father Benedict actually talked a lot about. And positive psychology essentially studied the difference between soldiers who go to war, suffer traumatic experiences, and then come home, and some of them developed PTSD, some of them did not. And so people started asking the question, well, wait a minute, what about the people who did not come home with PTSD? Is there something we can learn about that? And positive psychology set out to find the factors that contributed to resilience so that you could face difficult things without becoming traumatized.
Okay.
And they figured it out. And of course, the government was very interested in this research. And so they pumped millions of dollars into Martin Seligman's research out of Penn. And he was able to, discover 5 factors that contribute to resilience. And also he learned that they're trainable. You can teach these to somebody.
Okay.
So we're not just
it wasn't just because one guy was stronger than another.
Exactly.
Okay.
So these 5 factors are something that we can learn, and then by preparing people ahead of time before experiencing traumatic events, we can actually shore them up to be more resilient in the face of that trauma. One of those factors has to do with having meaning of life and a worldview in which you are not the sole bearer of responsibility and the weight of the world. To have a worldview in which there is someone else actually bearing this responsibility.